Yeah, hello. My name's Robin McCabe. I'm a director of Portland RSL Bowling Club, and I've been a director for 2 years. I'm a great believer in renewable energy, and our power bills here at the bowling club are astronomical, and it was essential that we install our solar project to reduce our power bills. We envisage that we'll have a reduction of about $14,000 a year in our power bills, so that will be a great asset to our club. The money will go towards upgrading some of our facilities here. It's an old building and we desperately need finances to upgrade and renovate some of our buildings. And decided to take up the sport of bowls, and I wanted to be involved with the running of the bowling club. We got quotes from other companies for installing our solar project, but it was a large financial outlay which we just could not have afforded. Because ESC offered us a great deal and an incentive, and we didn't have to provide the funds to set up the solar, so that was really important to us. I think businesses should definitely look at installation of solar to reduce their power bills.